Over in Canada, police say an 18-year-old trans woman carried out a deadly school shooting in British Columbia on Tuesday, killing 9 people. Authorities say the suspect had a history of mental health issues as the country mourns one of the worst school tragedies in its history. Our Seung-jae has more.
Canadian authorities are revealing new details about one of the deadliest school shootings in the country's history. Police say the attacker in Tuesday's massacre in Tumbler Ridge, a remote community in British Columbia, was an 18-year-old transgender woman with a history of mental health struggles. However, investigators have not identified a clear motive, adding that the suspect, Jessie Van Rootselaar, died by suicide after the attack. Officials also revised the death toll to 9, down from the initially reported 10. According to the Royal Canadian Mounted Police on Wednesday, officers had responded to the suspect's family home multiple times over the years over mental health-related concerns.
Police had attended that residence on multiple occasions over the past several years, dealing with concerns of mental health with respect to our suspect. I can say that on different occasions, a suspect was apprehended for assessment and follow-up.
Authorities believe Van Rootselaar began the deadly shooting spree at home, where the bodies of the suspect's 39-year-old mother and 11-year-old stepbrother were found. Police say the shooter then went to a local school and opened fire. A 39-year-old female teacher was killed, along with 5 students, 3 12-year-old girls, and 2 boys aged 12 and 13. The small community has been left in shock as families mourn and officials provide counseling and support services. South Korean President Lee Jae-myung offered condolences to the victims' families and to the Canadian people, saying he hopes the nation can heal and return to daily life. He also expressed support for Canada's leadership as the country grieves. Authorities say the investigation is continuing as they work to piece together the timeline and circumstances behind the attack. Meanwhile, Tumbler Ridge is holding vigils to honor the victims and support those affected by the tragedy. Seung-jae, ArirangNews.